Good morning students. Next topic is our area of combination of plane figures. So the plane figures like circle, square, rectangle, etc. So we have to find its area. So the first, see example number 4. In figure, two circular flower beds have been shown on two sides of a square. So this ABCD is a square in which there are two circular flower beds on side AB and side CD. The first circular bed is on side AB and the second is on side CD. Lawn ABCD of side 56 cm. The side of that square is 56 cm. If the center of each circular flower bed is the point of intersection O of the diagonals of the square lawn, find the sum of the area of the lawn and the flower beds. So we have to find the total area, this square and the two flower beds also. So you can see here, this is the radius of this circular flower bed. This is the radius of circular flower bed. The diagonals of this square AC and BD, they both intersect at point O. So this is our radius. So take it as X. And we know that the diagonals of the square bisect each other at 90 degree. The diagonals of the square is bisect each other at 90 degrees. So bisect means they divide into two equal parts. And this angle is of measure 90 degrees. So you can see that it is a right angle triangle. This is right angle triangle, and this is what? This is the hypotenuse of this triangle, hypotenuse, and its length is 56 because its hypotenuse is the square, side of the square, and its measure is 56 meter. Now you can find easily the other two sides, the length of other two sides. This is x, and the length of other two sides are same, that is x. So you can write here x square plus x square is equal to 56 square, or it is 2x square is equal to 56 into 56, because 56 square is written as 56 into 56, or x square is equal to 56 into 56 divided by 2. It is cancelled by 28, and the value of x square is 28 into 56. Clear students? Now the x square is equal to 28 into 56. So you can see here, this is what? This is the part of a circle, and it is radius to earth. This is the area enclosed between two radii and the arc. So it is the part of circle that is called sector, because sector is that part which includes the area between two radii and the arc. So this is two radii and this is what? This is the arc. So it is the part of sector and it is also sector. And the area of both of the sector is equal. Now what is left here? It is triangle. So there are how many triangles? Two triangles. So you can add area of two sectors plus area of two triangles. We get the total area of square lawn and the two circular flower beds. So total area is equal to 2 multiply area of sector, 2 multiply area of sector, this one, plus 2 multiply area of triangle OAD. Because the area of triangle OAD and OBC, it is same. Now you can take two common. So what is left? The area of sector, and its formula is theta over 360. Theta is what? Theta is here 90 degree. So 90 over 360 into pi r square. Value of pi is at 22/7 into r square. R is what radius? Your radius is x. So you can write x square plus area of triangle, that is half into base into height. So base of this triangle is x and height of this triangle is again x. So x into x is x square. Now 2, this is cancelled with 4, 1 by 4, 22 by 7, x cube. Value of x cube is 28 into 56 plus half. Again, value of x cube is 28 into 56. Now you can take common. Again, 28 into 56. And also take 2 common from the denominator, from both hand side. This 2 is common from the denominator. So what is left here? 22 by 7 into 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is common, 22 into 56 is also common. So there is only 1. Now you cancel this 2 and 2. 28 into 56. This 2 11s are 22. 11 by 7 plus 1. So taking everything, it is 11 plus 7 by 7. Now you should cancel this 7 over 7. 7 4s are how much? 28. Now it is 4 into 56 into 11 plus 7. It is how much? 18. Now 18 4s are. It is 72. Now you should multiply 72 with 56. So the total area of this circular lawn and the flower bed is 4032 meter square. Yes, students. So this is the example number 4th. Next, this is the example number 5th. Find the area of shaded region where ABCD is a square of side 14 centimeter. This ABCD is a square in which you can see here there are 4 circles, and each of the circle is touching externally 2 circles. This circle touching this one and this one. This circle touching this one and this one. Alright. So the side of the square is having length 14 centimeter. And along each side, you can see here there are 2 circles. Along this side there are 2 circles. It means 14 is equal to 2 into diameter. Because if there are 2 circles, it means there are 2 diameters. And you can see here 2 diameter is equal to 14. So the diameter of one circle is of length 7 centimeter. Each circle having diameter 7. There are again 2 diameters. So this is 7 centimeter. Diameter of each circle is 7 centimeter. Now you can see here it is a square and there are total 4 circles. So you have to subtract the area of this 4 circle from the area of square. We get the area of the remaining portion. Area of the remaining portion, or you can say area of the shaded portion. Area of shaded region is equal to area of square minus area of 4 circles. Area of 4 circles. Area of square is formed by side into side. You can see side square, and there are 4 circles. So area of circle is pi r square. Multiply with 4 because there are total 4 circles. Now what is the side of square? Side of square is 14. 4 into 5. Area of pi is 7, and the radius of each circle is how much? Its diameter is 7 and radius is 7 over 2. Now 14 square is 196. This 7 cancel. 2 to the 4. This 2 to cancel. 22 7s are 154. 196 minus 154. It is 42 centimeter square. 42 centimeter square is the area of the shaded portion. This is the example number 5th. Example is, find the area of shaded design where ABCD is a square of side 10 centimeter and semicircles are drawn with each side of the square as diameter. So you can see here this is a square, name it A, B, C, D, and there are 4 semicircles drawn with each side. First semicircle drawn with side AD, second with DC, third with CB, and the last semicircle with side DA. And the diameter of circle is of length 10 centimeter. The side of the square is also of 10 centimeter, and the diameter of the each semicircle is also of length 10 centimeter. We can find the area of this shaded region. So what we can do, you can draw 2 separate spheres. So first you can draw 2 semicircles alongside AB and CD, and again 2 semicircles alongside AD and BC. So name is region 1, region 2, region 3 and region 4. So first we can find the area of region 1 and 2, and then we can find the area of region 3rd and 4th. Alright. So first find the area of region 1 and 2. Go. So this is a square and there are 2 semicircles. It means there is a one complete circle. If we join 2 semicircles, then there is a complete one circle. So you have to subtract the area of complete circle minus area of subtract the area from square. You have to subtract the area of circle from the area of a square, and the area of square is side into side, and the area of circle is pi r square. So we get the area of region 1 and region 2. So find the area of square minus area of circle. You can write circle or you can write 2 semicircles. It's the same thing. So what is the area of square? It is side multiplied side. Area of circle is pi r square. So what is the side of a square? The length of the side of a square is 10 centimeter. Pi, its value is 3.14. In this question, the value of pi is given already, that is 3.14. And the radius of this circle is, semicircle is how much? If the diameter is 10 and radius is only 5. So 5 square is how much? 25. So 10 times are 100 and 25 multiplied with 3.14. How much? 314.25. 17.50. So 100 minus 17.5 is 21.5 centimeter square. So 21.5 centimeter square is the area of region 1 and region 2. Again similarly we get the area of region 3rd and 4th. So again same step, area of square minus area of one complete circle. So the area of region 3rd and 4th is again same, that is 21.5 centimeter square. So it is again 21.5 centimeter square. Alright. So you have to repeat this step again. Now we get 1, 2, 3, 4. Area, now you can subtract the area of region 1, 2, 3 and 4 from area of the complete square. Alright. तो उसे क्या करोगे, एरिया फर्स्ट रीजन का सेकंड थर्ड के फोर्थ रीजन का एरिया नो पूरा पूरे स्क्वायर के एरिया जो माइनस करोगे. You have to subtract the area of region 1, 2, 3 and 4 from the area of complete square. We get the area of this remaining portion. or you can say shaded portion. So area of shaded portion is area of square minus area of region 1, 2, 3 and 4. Area of region 1, 2, 3 and 4. So what is area of square? That is again side to side, and the side of square is 10 centimeters. So 10 is 100 minus area of region 1 and 2 is 21.5, and area of region 3 and 4 is again same, that is 21.5. So you have to subtract 21.5 and 21.5 from this 100. 21.5 to 21.5 is 43, and 100 minus 43, 57. 57 centimeters square. So 57 centimeters square is the area of this shaded region. Clear, students? So this is the example number 6. Thank you.